So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create interactive data visualization free online. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for Draw Wrapper. Sorry, it's not draw, it's data wrapper.de. You can see the right URL. Just simply open this website that appear right in front of you, and here click on this option which says start creating. Now it will take some time, and here you have to define the data. Just simply hit create new and select the type of data. For example, let's just go with the chart, and here you have to paste the data, paste your data that you are being copied from somewhere else, and here it will you have to describe the data, then you're going to find the visualized version of your data for free. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.